Now, almost every single one of you know what I'm doing to Bane. Can one of you please explain to him? I will talk to him, but I need to speak to him in private, alright? When I said talk to Bane in private, I meant talk to Bane in private. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I knew that. I was just waiting for everybody else to clear up, but I'll go. Make it clear to him, Two-Face. As clear as a fishbowl. Or else he'll beat you up to a pulp, like he did last time when he explained something clear to him. Well, I know what I'm doing this time. Yeah, you better. Last time, you almost broke your whole face off when you explained something to him. He's right. Well, I guess me should be going. Yes. Okay. Now, Bane, there's been some slight changes. You are going to be replaced with an ogre. I'll just say ogre. I'm stronger than any ogre that you can think of. Well, I think you won't be saying that when you see this guy. I said, this guy. Huh? What do you think? Bane? Joker, he's ready to be replaced. You think? Yeah, let's replace him. That'd be a good idea. Yeah, replace him. You know, you're a lot heavier than you look. You're a lot heavier than you look. Can I stop now, Joker? Yes, you can stop now. Oh, thank God, okay. Joker? Yes? Is that the correct way to put someone in a cage? What do you mean? Well, look the way that you put Bane in the cage. Oh my God. Well, it's a good thing he's already dead. Dead? Wait, he's dead? Yeah, he's dead. I thought he was still alive. Well, if you look back over here, you can see he's dead. Here I messed up. Well, boy, are you ready to be the replacement for Bane? I was born ready. Let's destroy Batman. Not yet. First, you need some training. Training? I'm not very fond of training, because you never had training before. You just smash a bunch of stuff. Let's start off by him. Okay, but, don't worry, I will beat him. Yeah, I will beat him, I think. Oh, brother. Ready? And fight. Wait, you want me to fight this guy? Huh? You know, this would be a lot easier if you just... Great, he fainted. Is that good? No, well, I mean, yes. Yeah, a good ogre. I never, ever doubted you. Actually, there were several times when I doubted. Hey, everybody, let's go get some pizza. Pizza? Oh, okay. What kind do you want? Kind? Oh yeah, kind pizza. Yeah, pizza's nice and kind. Okay, Joker, just put pepperoni on the list. Oh, okay. What do you want, Penguin? Ah, fish. Okay, just put a side order of fish. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Hello, your call has been transferred for automatic voice messaging account 2011. Beep, beep. They're not here. They're not here. That doesn't make any sense. What do you mean? I mean, they aren't there. There's no pizza. There isn't. Pizza doesn't even exist. Pizza doesn't exist. Pizza doesn't exist. God, no. Pizza no exist? Urgh, jeez. I know. Sorry, Yogi, but we're just gonna have to, I don't know. Let's just go fight Batman while we're at it. Good idea. What's a good idea? What you just said. Oh, yeah, I knew that. Let's go fight Batman! Well, did you tell Bane? Yeah, and he's in there now. I don't think that's the correct way to put someone in a cage. That's the exact same thing I said, but Joker thought that since he's already dead, that we can put him in like that. Did you say he's dead? Hey, we're replacing him. We don't need him. He's Bane? He's an ogre? Yeah, me Ogie. I named him that. I take full credit in that. Yeah, he take full credit card in that. He's a bit more sense of humor than anything. Yeah, sense of humor. Yeah. I know, this guy's hysterical. I know, right? Alright, well, who's staying here to guard Bane in case he gets out of that cage? I thought you said he was dead. I mean, yeah, but what if he comes back alive? You believe in a lot of weird stuff. Believe? I don't believe in nothing. Except for destroying Batman and taking full credit cards. Yeah. Why are we laughing? It's not funny anymore. But seriously, who is going? You? You? Of course you. You? 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 And you. Okay, so that's everybody. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 people. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're here. We just need to enter his house. Wait, I forgot. His house is all built up of gadget thingies. So, we can't go in his house. But we just need to find Batman. He's usually fighting at night. Like, have you seen that movie, The Dark Knight? Get it? Dark. Because he fights in the dark. Ah! Well, I thought this was a funny joke. Anyways, let's find Batman. Wait, nobody's guarding Bane. Penguin, go back and check on him. Why you say he's already dead? Oh yeah. So let's go fight Batman. Meanwhile, back at Bane's cage. The stupid cage won't let me out. I need to try something. Hey, Joker. Joker. Dang it. Alright, everyone's gone. Break 3. If I can just get a hold of this cage. Why Why did they put me in here like this? There we go. Yeah, I'm out. Come on. Get out of here. Whatever they did sure was hard for them. Must have me locked up in here or something. Oh. Sweet. And there's no dents. Alright. I just need to replace that stupid, ugly ogre before it fully takes my job. I gotta destroy Bane first. Get me out of here. Never. Get me out. Oh my god, that was a heart attack. Heart attack? Ah, you could pronounce that too. So I will attack your heart. Let's do this later. Ogie was stronger than thought. Yeah, you can take my spot. Great. Well, the ogre that's supposed to defeat me is now not defeating me. There has to be a key somewhere. A key. Oh, now this is gonna be good. Tick, 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 tick. Ching. Oh, cool. He broke out! He broke out! Yes, I did. You're going to regret putting me in that cage. I won't regret, but he will. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, sorry. Anyways, let's fight. Bam! Now for the final finale. But this battle isn't over yet. What do you mean? Well, Batman, looks like, Riddler, can you think of something for me to say? Yeah, looks like you won't be alive, I guess. Yeah, looks like you won't be alive because of my negative blue skin and my full credit cards. What? Full credit cards and negative blue skin. Full credit cards and negative blue... It's... Never mind. It's just a long story. It is. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So let's go get some pizza.